Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily pass Python programming for JNTUK R20. To start, focus on the foundational elements of Python. Understanding core concepts like variables, data types, and basic operations is crucial. Don't just memorize, truly grasp how these pieces work together. Regular practice with simple coding exercises will solidify your understanding and build confidence for the exam. To succeed, prioritize key topics from the JNTUK R20 syllabus. Ensure you master data types, operators, and control flow statements like if else and loops. Functions, modules, and file handling are also essential areas to cover thoroughly. Finally, a solid grasp of object-oriented programming principles will be highly beneficial for your exam. Adopt smart study methods to maximize your preparation. Make it a habit to solve at least 2 programming problems every day to hone your skills. Collaborating with peers can offer new perspectives and help clarify difficult concepts. Additionally, leverage the wealth of online tutorials and official Python documentation as valuable learning resources. Finally, remember to manage your time wisely during the exam. Don't get stuck on one difficult question. Move on and come back if time permits. Attempt every question, even if you're not entirely sure, as partial credit can make a big difference. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial thinking, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Good luck with your Python exam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.